Welcome to Virtual Pools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Virtual Pools lead generation plugin to your GoDaddy website. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through every step, from copying your unique code to embedding it on your site. Let's get started. First, log into your Virtual Pools dashboard. Go to the Customer section and click on Lead Generator. Then, create a new lead generation tool. Select Embed on Site and choose your preferred language from the menu. Copy the provided link or code. Finally, open your GoDaddy website editor. Look for the plus button to add a section. Type HTML into the search bar for elements and click Add. A box will appear in your selected section. This is where your lead generator will go. In the custom code area, paste the link you copied from Virtual Pools. A preview of your tool will appear. You can give this section a title if you'd like, and move it around anywhere on your page. Camera access is supported on GoDaddy. Visitors can take a photo directly. To make it work, your iframe must include the permission, Allow Works Camera. When you're finished, click Done, and then hit Publish to make your changes live for visitors. And that's it. Your Virtual Pools lead generation tool is now live on your GoDaddy site, ready to capture new pool design leads. If you ran into any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. For more guides, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.